Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You're watching the fourth match here in round 2. We are even Stevens, Maggoty High on 2, St. Andrew High for girls on 2, as we head into the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. St. Andrew High for girls. You wanted to go first, so it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which book immediately follows Ezra?
Nehemiah.
Yes, what is the scientific name for the calf bone in humans?
Fibula.
Yes, spell eulogize.
EULOGIZE.
Z-E or S-E, correct. Which country hosted the 2024 African Cup of Nations in football?
Kenya.
Côte d'Ivoire. Which Jamaican reggae artist was awarded the Order of Merit in 1981?
Bob Marley.
Yes, what is the capital of Switzerland?
Bern.
Yes, which Jamaican singer released the 2001 hit Rock Away?
Peter Riley.
No, Beres Hammond. What is the name for a chemical reaction that releases heat?
Exothermic.
Yes, what is the gradient of a line that rises 15 units for every 2 horizontal units?
Pass.
7.5. Who played the role of Odin in the movie Thor: The Dark World?
Pass.
Anthony Hopkins. Who was the last Tsar of Russia?
Julius Caesar.
No, Nicholas II. Nicholas II. Well done, though, ladies, for your first minute. Maggoty High, we're coming over to you now. Time for your first minute. In the Bible, which book immediately follows Lamentations?
Ezekiel.
Yes, what is the scientific name for the bones in the fingers of humans?
Pedagogy.
Yes, spell pedagogy.
P-E-D-I-G-O-G-Y.
No, P-E-D-A-G-O-G-Y. Which countries played in the finals of the 2026 Africa Cup of Nations in football?
Senegal. Morocco.
Yes, what was the highest Jamaican national honor conferred on the late singer Jimmy Cliff?
Order of Merit.
Yes, the Golden Gate Bridge links which 2 U.S. cities?
San Francisco and California.
Oakland. Which Jamaican singer released the 1990 hit Just a Little Bit Longer?
Which is Spice.
Maxi Priest. What is the chemical symbol for the element tungsten?
W.
Yes, what is the range of the data 3, 9, 15, 6, and 12?
12.
Yes, who directed the 2020 film Tenet?
James Cameron.
Christopher Nolan. Who was the first president of the United States to resign from office?
William McKinley.
Richard Nixon. Which Jamaican hurdler won the Commonwealth Games 110 meters hurdles in 2022? That was Rashid Broadbell. But well done, Maggoty, for your first minute. St. Andrew High, we're coming back over to you now. Time for your second minute. Which country won the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2023?
Spain.
Yes, a uniform beam weighs 80 newtons and supports... Okay, change this Spanish phrase to the imperfect tense. Los chicos estudian.
Los chicos estudiaban.
Yes, in which city is the main setting of the novel Miguel Street?
Bridgetown.
No, Port of Spain in Trinidad. Who was the first former finance minister to become a prime minister of Jamaica?
PJ Patterson.
No, Donald Sangster. What is the third book of the Pentateuch in the Bible?
Leviticus.
Yes, GERD, G-E-R-D, is an acronym for a condition which affects the body's digestive and respiratory systems. What does it mean? Gastroesophageal reflux disease. I am driving to school. What tense is used in that sentence?
Present continuous.
Present continuous.
Good. Who is the president of Brazil?
Luis Inácio Lula de Silva.
That's good. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2000? And we won't have time. That was Kim Dae-jung for Korean reconciliation. Well done, St. Andrew High. Maggoty, coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. A body of mass 5 kilograms is lifted 2 meters vertically. What is its potential energy gained?
100. Joules.
Yes, change this Spanish phrase to the future tense. Ella come.
Comes.
No, ella comerá. Miranda, the daughter of Prospero, appears in which Shakespearean play?
Merchant of Venice.
The Tempest. Who was the second former finance minister to become a prime minister of Jamaica?
Erasega.
Yes, what is the second of the synoptic gospels in the Bible?
Mark.
Yes, DVT is an abbreviation for a blood clot in the human body. What does DVT stand for? Deep vein thrombosis. I will arrive at work tomorrow. What tense is used in that sentence?
Future continuous.
Just future. Who is the president of Costa Rica?
Rodrigo. Chavez. Robert.
Yes. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2009 for international diplomacy?
Barack Obama.
Yes. What is the capital city of Bhutan?
Malabo.
Thimphu. Which famous jazz trumpeter and singer was known as Satchmo? And you won't have time to tell me that was Louis Armstrong. Well done. Maggoty High for your second minute. Ladies, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the capital city of Algeria?
Algiers.
Algiers.
Yes. Which famous singer is known as Queen Bee by her fans?
Beyonce.
Yes. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number for nickel?
NI 28.
Yes. What is 12% of 350?
38.
42. Who received a Golden Globe nomination for Best Supporting Actor for his role in the 2025
Owen
movie
Cooper.
Hamnet? No, that was Paul Mescal. Which treaty ended the 30 Years' War in 1648?
Treaty of Utrecht.
No, Westphalia. For which NBA team in the USA does Kevin Durant play?
Oklahoma City Thunder.
No, the Houston Rockets. What is the name for the science of the production, transmission, and effects of sound?
Acoustics.
Yes. What is the English translation for the Spanish un par de calcetines?
A pair of socks.
Yes. Who wrote the 19th century book In Search of the Castaways?
Pass.
Jules Verne. What is the full name of the only specialist maternity hospital in Jamaica?
Bosamanti.
Children's Hospital.
No, it's the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Victoria Jubilee. But well done, ladies, for your third and final minute. Maggoty High, coming back over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute here in the Speed Challenge. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number for germanium?
GE 32.
GE what?
GE 32.
Yes. What is 15% of 180?
270.
27. Who received a Critics' Choice nomination for Best Supporting Actor for his role in the 2025 movie J. Kelly?
Pass.
Adam Sandler. Which treaty ended the Second Anglo-Dutch War in 1667?
Treaty of Hague.
Treaty of Breda. For which NBA team in the USA does Anthony Edwards play?
Houston Rockets.
No, the Minnesota Timberwolves. What is the name for solids which have neither definite form nor structure?
Liquid.
Amorphous. What is the English translation for the Spanish guantes blancos?
Black gloves.
White gloves. Who wrote the 19th century book The Island of Dr. Moreau?
Pass.
H.G. Wells. What is the full name of the tertiary care hospital serving Western Jamaica?
Pass.
Cornwall Regional Hospital. In the Bible, how old was Joseph, the son of Jacob, when he died? No, he was 110 years, but well done nonetheless, Maggoty High. That was the end of your third and final minute. That's the end of the Speed Challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Maggoty High looked to be on 14 points. St. Andrew High for girls on 18. We go to the break now with a good word from True Milk. Use positive affirmations. Say, I am ready and I can do this. When we come back, it'll be time for what's shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. Round 2 action in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.